And what's cracking, you guys? Welcome to the Mango Grove. My name is Krisha, and this is today's analysis on Cardano, ADA. It's been a while. I'm sorry. I know that a dump has ensued, and well, I don't know, I just feel like I've been a tad bit AFK on the ADA videos, and I don't intend to leave you guys in the dark. We have been doing a lot of live streams, so and I implore you guys to catch the live streams, because on there we do cover Cardano. Okay, so I might be going live later on today, so just a quick heads up on that. If not today, then definitely tomorrow. And speaking of tomorrow, guys, tomorrow is the Seed Mastermind call. It happens every Thursday. So for those of you who are new seedlings, if you join the Seed program, you guys do get access to the private market sessions right here. Okay, amongst a myriad of other things. But the private market sessions happen every Thursday, and yeah, essentially this is where people present all of the alpha that they found. I've given you guys some sweet alpha on Bitcoin's bull market targets, as well as the next alt season. So go ahead and check it out. Some of those, some of the critical alpha pieces have been recorded. So if you're in the Seed program, you also have access to those recordings. For those of you who want to level up your game this bull market, there's no better stop than the Seed program. There's a bunch of people in here telling you just how much the Seed program has changed their life. So go ahead and check out the testimonials, check out the program. If you're new to the program, Thursday, guys, tomorrow's Thursday, tomorrow's the mastermind session. Now, as far as ADA is concerned, everyone's wondering, Krisha, is this the end? Are we still in the bull market? Gun to my head. Here's how I measure the bull market. I measure the bull market based on Bitcoin. And as far as Bitcoin's cycles are concerned, based on the entire market cycle right now, I'm saying we're still in a bull market. All right, so as far as ADA is concerned, I'm still looking to buy the dips on ADA. Now, just a quick recap on my position on ADA. Do I still have a bag of ADA? Yes, I do. All right, to give you guys the quick sort of rundown on my position, I'm sorry for all of the squigglies, but this is my analysis that I've been building up for the months now. You guys should be familiar with all of these levels that I have on my weekly time frame. We're currently on the weekly time frame. I bought Cardano a total of 3 times, okay? These are all spot buys. The first bid was right here at around 30 cents. In fact, we started talking about Cardano at 24 cents, but my first bid came in at around 30 cents, okay? That's when I started building my position. 30 cents, one here, okay? This is my first position. Second position right here at around 50 cents. I've essentially marked it out in green boxes, all right? And third position right here at around 59 cents. All right, so now I told you guys in the last video that, hey, if we start losing the battle zone that came from 68 cents to 59 cents, the same battle zone now that we've been talking about for, well, weeks on end, don't worry, I will be giving you a recap in a bit, all right? But if we lose this level, I will be getting out of this position only, all right? So we did lose that level. I did get out of the position, all right? I didn't get the optimal bid on the retest, but I managed to get out somewhere around here, all right, 58 cents. Now, as far as my other 2 positions are concerned, the one at 30 cents, the one at 50 cents, they're still running. It's still intact. I still have it. Those are spot buys. Now, what I'm looking to do here is I'm going to be looking to take this one that I de-risked out of, and I'm looking to add it on that next dip for ADA. So now for those of you wondering, okay, Krisha, you're saying that we're still in a bull market. When can we expect that next rally to the upside, giving us all of those profits, basically getting us out of these sticky positions? Get into the weekly time frame, put on your dynamic indicator. Okay, this is the cornerstone indicator we've been following on Cardano since, well, the last cycle, guys. Switch on the dynamic, all right, where's price relative to the weekly dynamic right now, guys? We have lost that weekly dynamic level. All right, the weekly dynamic has been keeping us on the right side of Cardano ever since we actually took it out right here at around 31 cents. So I'll say this, for as long as we're holding that dynamic level as overhead resistance, I will not be looking for that next impulsive move to the upside. I first want to see price live over the weekly dynamic resistance for me to then look for that next impulsive move to the upside, likely taking out these highs right here. All right, for now, we're living way under. All right, and this is where I'm going to be imploring you guys to look for better bid opportunities. For those of you looking to really build on your existing trades, and not just in regards to Cardano, but in regards to any other coin that you're looking at, I'm saying because sentiment is where it's at, because we're seeing blood across the board, I'm saying get greedy on those bids, all right? When there is fear, people often tend to, well, be very trigger happy when actually getting out of their trades. All right, they get scared when they see red, they get scared, and then, well, they just sell whatever the bags they do have, even though they might be selling at support. But this is, well, it's for you to take advantage of. All right, so when you see fear, especially in this juncture of the market, I'm going to be looking to take advantage of the fear, okay? And one way in which you can take advantage of the fear is by getting greedy on your bids. So now question is, can we actually get greedy on the next Cardano bid? Can we actually look for another pullback on ADA? Well, to get a good understanding of that, I often, default to the Mango dashboard, get into the Mango dashboard. Let's go ahead. You'll find this on app.mangoresearch.co. So first of all, guys, if I look at the market-wide trend and volatility profile right here, market-wide trend, you'll find it on your top right-hand side corner. Trend is short, okay? Short equals bearish. And while your volatility profile is 87. That's high, guys. That's very high. And I'll tell you exactly what that means, okay? I'll tell you what that means for any asset that you're looking at. As far as ADA is concerned, okay, now that is the market-wide trend and volatility profile. As far as Cardano is concerned, we're seeing short signals across the board, from the 4-hour all the way to the weekly time frame. In fact, I mean, the dashboard pretty much kept you on the right side of ADA throughout this entire dump. You're up on all of those short trades. If you took a short, you're up on the trade. Another way you can interpret the short trends is, well, if it turns short, you know that, hey, okay, the bears are taking over here. Perhaps it's a good time for me to be taking profits off the table. So in that scenario, it essentially helps you from taking a loss of 30% or giving back profits worth 30%, right, back to the market. Right, so there are various ways in which you can actually interpret this. One way is, well, take a short, or the other way is time to start taking profits. So now we know that, okay, the bears are in control. Question is, can they actually take this down even further? For that, I usually default on over to the volatility profile. Volatility is actually very high. It's very, very high, 98 to 86. So when I see very high volatility numbers, I'm saying that, okay, this move has sort of expanded to a point where the bears might be getting tired sometime soon. All right, when the sellers start getting tired, okay, when they don't have any more to sell at these prices, that's when you often find the buying element taking over the selling element. What happens in that instance right there? Well, when the buying force overcomes the selling force, right, that's when you see that reversal on the chart. All right, but first I look for seller exhaustion. Often when I look towards volatility at 98, 96, 86, I'm looking at the sellers coming close to exhaustion. However, if there's one thing that's telling me that, hey, the sellers might have a tad bit more oomph still left in them, it is this 4-hour volatility profile at 61. 61 is closer to the 50 levels than it is to the 90 levels, telling me that, hey, you know what, the bears still might have a bit more juice left in them on those lower time frames. We could see price actually fall all the way down to the bottom of the range. All right, but now when do the bulls actually step in earnest? What do we look for in that case? Well, look for your trends to start flipping along, okay? Look for these trends to start flipping along. Your trend's always going to start from your lower time frames, and then they're going to cascade on over to your higher time frames. As far as ADA on my chart is concerned, check it out. I have an alert set in on the daily time frame just in case I'm out and this daily trend flips long. I'm alerted via email. That way I know that, hey, it's time for me to start looking at the charts if I don't already have my position in. All right, it's going to tell me when not to be complacent. Just in case I'm complacent, I get alerted saying that, hey, it's time to look at the chart. Don't be silly. What we're seeing right now is an intermediate drawdown, a drawdown that I personally am going to be taking advantage of. Now, as far as the chart is concerned, get into the chart, guys. Okay, so ADA is still living underneath the weekly dynamic, all right, telling us that, hey, this is bearish for now. The dashboard is telling us is that, hey, we can actually look for lower than where price is at right now. Price is currently sitting at 44 cents. The one thing that is alluding to price actually falling even further in line with the Mango dashboard is, well, get into the daily time frame and switch on your Mango Lifeline indicator, guys. This is the new indicator rollout. For those, a lot of you jumped in on the indicator. It is freaking sweet. I've been playing around with it and it has been blowing my mind. Everything is so organized, all right? It tells you everything you need to know about any of the trade setups that you're looking to take. First of all, is it bullish or is it bearish? Well, if the candles are red, it's bearish, right? And if the candles are green, it's bullish. The next thing everyone wants to know is, well, should I buy or should I sell? Well, if it is bearish, it's going to tell you that, okay, this is the time to sell. It's going to tell you where the sell opportunities are coming in at. As far as Cardano on the daily time frame is concerned, the first sell opportunity comes in at around 51 cents. That's where you would want to scale into your trade. The second sell opportunity would only come in at 57 cents. Not just that, in case you're wrong on your trades, there's also an invalidation. This is something that you cannot mess up on, right? Because a lot of times people get into trades, right? They get invalidated, but then they make excuses to stay in that trade. You cannot do that with this system, right? If the invalidation triggers, it's broken. It tells you plain, simple, and clear that, hey, you have been invalidated, right? Your trade thesis is broken. Time to de-risk. Not just that, it also gives you the next targets on, well, your trade setup. Now notice that we have two targets right here at around 39 cents and 36 cents. The very first target only comes in at 39 cents. The dashboard is literally telling us is that, hey, the bears can still see follow through just based on the volatility profile. So as far as the follow through level is concerned, I'm going to be looking towards 39 cents first stop. If I'm getting greedy on the bid, guys, I'm honestly going to be looking towards 39 cents and 36 cents. Right, so yes, we could start seeing this fall even further. All right, and what I really, really like about the 39 cent level is this. It also lines up with the bottom of our war zone right here, which came in from around 40 cents to 45 cents. I discussed 3 war zones with you over the past, I don't know, guys, it's been 5 months at least 5 months, right? First war zone came in from around 40 cents to 45 cents. Second war zone came from around 59 cents to 68 cents. And the third one only came in at around $1.17. Right now, this 39-cent region lines up with the bottom of our first war zone right here. Right, so I will be looking towards this level. You can see that, okay, we're drooping right now. We might be falling right now, but look towards 39 cents if you're looking to get greedy on that bid. All right, 39 cents to 36 cents. I mean, getting 36 cents would be freaking sweet. But yeah, I think we could. You know what? Based on the current sentiment that I'm seeing across the board, blood across the streets, people tend to get fearful, and this fear can often be taken advantage of. All right, so yeah, place your bids accordingly. I, for one, am still bullish. I'm keeping my positions. I'm only looking to, well, basically take this position right here and reposition on the bottom. Now, for those of you interested in the Mango Lifeline Indicator, you'll find it on the mangoway.com/lifeline. Now, because this is still in beta, we have early bird prices running. Okay, so go ahead and check it out. Play this video to see exactly what it is that you get. Some nice, succinct, clear trade setup served to you on a platter. All the questions you might have on any chart that you're looking at, bullish or bearish, should I buy here? What's the invalidation? What's the target? All served to you on a platter right here. The mangoway.com/lifeline. Alrighty, now I really, really hope you guys enjoyed today's Cardano analysis, and I will see you now in the next one. With this, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.